not good. This is bad. This is very bad.
In half a mile, merge onto I-80 West.
I know. Holy shit, a tumbleweed. I woke up this morning and just decided, no. No coffee. Today is not your day. Not today.
Welcome to Wyoming.
My day. I'm in Wyoming now, apparently. Okay. I noticed it didn't come with instructions. Oh God, okay, I need rocks to put on the tarp. I think that's right. I believe it'll hold. What's the deal with that rock? Is this, okay, it's blowing away, the whole tent's blowing away. Fuck me. That last stake just won't go in. I feel like 3 out of 4 stakes in the tent. Pretty damn good. Hey, how's it going? Justin here. I'm gonna show you guys my crib. As you can see, we've got an extended flap here, just for flappiness. Scares away the bears when it's blowing in the wind. Take that, bears. It's always good to have extra poles lying around just to whip away the bears. See? Oh, that is very dangerous. I'm ready, bears. Here's the doorway. Sneak in here. Just me in here tonight, but it fits too. This is where the magic happens. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped. All right, before we really settle in, I think it's best to do some training with the bear whip stick. Good, things are going well. What is this for? Hello, and welcome to Making Camping Cocktails with Justin. After a long day of setting up tents, you want to treat yourself. So, what we got here, some Tito's vodka, some vitamin water with vitamins, and soda water. And we're gonna put a little bit of Tito's. Yeah, there we go. You use the vitamin mineral water, or just whatever it is. That way it's a healthy cocktail. When you're camping, it's about health. Physical and mental and emotional health. Now just for a little bit of zest, give it the soda water. Yeah, no, should have saw that. Spice it up. Oh yeah. Don't shake it up because of the soda water, obviously. Oh yeah. That is good shit. Woo! Is it just me or am I nailing this? Not gonna lie, I'm kinda digging this. I need to be doing this more. Forecast for this evening is dark as hell. All right, it's pretty cozy in here. I think we've done a good job. Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams. Till tomorrow.